Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego with another fantastic video for you guys out there in YouTube land. This is your K1 Visa Green Card channel. Remember, I'm not an immigration attorney. I don't give you legal advice. I don't work for USCIS, but I got 13 years experience processing K1 visas and green cards successfully for those folks that qualify for the benefit. This video is about your green card and carrying it around with you on your person. Okay, very important video, so pay attention, class, to what I gotta say. As a lawful permanent resident in the United States of America, you are required by law to carry your green card at all times. Failure to do so can lead to misdemeanor charges, fines up to $100, even more, and potential jail time of up to 30 days. 30 days in jail if you don't carry your green card with you. Now, this requirement is enforced by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, the CBP, which has recently emphasized the importance of carrying proof of your immigration status, especially during encounters with law enforcement. So when you drive your car on American highways and freeways, you have your American driver's license and your green card with you. It is advisable to keep your green card in a very secure location, such as your wallet or an RFID blocking holder, and avoid showing it unnecessarily. So don't be flashing it around, okay? Keep it in your pocket, secured. Remember, this is a very important document. Now, the legal requirements for carrying your green card, well, it's under Part 8 of the USC Law 1304, Bracket E. Every lawful permanent resident, or LPR, aged 18 or older must carry their green card with them at all times. The statute makes the failure to do so a misdemeanor, punishable by a fine, like I mentioned, up to $100, maybe more, or up to 30 days in the county jail, or whatever jail you happen to get thrown into. So what happens if you don't have your green card? Well, if you are stopped by law enforcement, the sheriff, the police, the parish police, whoever, or an immigration officer, and you do not present your green card when asked for it, even if you are lawfully present in the United States, the absence of proof will definitely raise red flags, especially during this current administration, who is in the White House. Okay? And you're going to have consequences, possible consequences. You don't want to be charged with a misdemeanor under immigration law. You don't want to be referred to ICE for further investigation. You don't want secondary inspections or delays at airports or border crossings. And in New Mexico, you can be stopped inside New Mexico by Border Patrol. Okay? You don't want to be detained. You don't want to be put into removal proceedings because you didn't have your green card with you. Okay, but that probably will only happen in rare, serious cases. Okay, so you got to have some practical tips from Diego. Practical tips from Diego for green card holders. Number one, always carry your green card. Okay, always carry your green card. Make it part of your daily routine, like carrying your driver's license. Now, if you are concerned about losing it or it getting stolen, you could perhaps consider getting a protective sleeve and avoid storing your green card in easily misplaced places. But this is common sense stuff. You guys know this. Number two, you can keep a digital copy of your green card, but don't rely on it. Remember, the original is the official one. And you could have a scanned copy of your green card, keep it in your phone, for example, to help you for a replacement if you lose your real one. But digital copies are not a substitute for the original during legal inspections. You gotta have the plastic real green card if you get asked for it by law enforcement, immigration, etc. Number three, prepare documents before travel. If you are going to travel abroad, especially for longer than 3 or 4 months, which I don't recommend you do, but if you do, bring your green card. Bring tax returns with you. lease agreements, pay stubs, employment letters, etc. to prove your ties to the United States of America. Your marriage certificate, photos with your husband or wife. You want to avoid the abandonment status, okay? You don't want to travel abroad for more than 180 days. It's going to trigger a scrutiny of your residency status, okay? You must demonstrate an intent to return to the United States, and this is your permanent home. This is where you live, all right? And make sure, number 5, Diego says, you must renew your green card on time. Expired green cards can also create issues at ports of entry.
I am Corbin Dallas.
Lilu Dallas Multipath.
Like I said, you got to renew your green card on time. Your expired green card will create issues for you at ports of entry during employment or identity verifications, etc. And you must file your Form I-90 for your renewing your 10-year green card with USCIS at least 6 months before your green card expires. What if you lose your green card? Well, that's a good question, Diego. If your green card is lost or stolen, you must apply for a replacement immediately using Form I-90. Now, this doesn't include the 2-year green card, which is Form 751. While the form is pending, you can request an I-551 stamp from USCIS, which will serve as a temporary proof of status. You're going to have to set an appointment with USCIS, use your iPhone or your cell phone, whatever, online, schedule an appointment. If in case you're going to travel and you've lost your green card overseas, you must obtain a boarding foil, formerly known as a transportation letter, from the U.S. consulate or the embassy to re-enter the United States. And you got to know your rights as a green card holder. I've made a video about your rights as a green card holder. You got to respect the law. As a green card holder, you are enjoying many rights and benefits, including the ability to live and work permanently in the United States. However, you are also subject to the legal responsibilities, including carrying proof of your status. You got to carry your green card. I don't care if you're going to the gym or going for a walk around the neighborhood, bring it with you. Like I said, if you don't carry your green card, it's not just a technical violation. It can open the door to more serious consequences, especially in today's current strict immigration environment with the Trump administration. They're going to look for any excuse to give you a hard time as a green card holder. Thanks for watching the video, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Don't forget, join as a member. If you want my phone number and email address, sign up as a member. Call me 7 days a week. I'm helping you with your green card application, your K1 visa, etc. Plus, I do a live stream 3 times a week with my beautiful wife, Karina from Venezuela, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Central Time, which is 7 p.m. Miami time, which is 5 p.m. Albuquerque time, 4 p.m. Los Angeles time. See you at the next live stream. Stay patient during this process. Watch the videos that I make. I am here to help you not only survive the K1 visa green card application process, but to keep you out of trouble too. See you at the next live stream.